What's up, Peak Timers? Let's go ahead and unbox the 2022 Hot Wheels Racing Circuit set. On the back card of each one of the vehicles included, we have a list of all of the available vehicles from this set. Car number 1 of 5 from the set is the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. We've got it in this nice lime green color. Let's go ahead and pop it open and get a nice close-up look at this one right here. You can see the really cool graphics that we have listed on the side with the number 20 right there, the Michelin. We do have the nice gloss black wheels on there, and just check out the great detail on the front end of that. Look at that stripe that goes down the center. We've got the supercharger on the front end right there. Even on the rear, we've got all the Tampa work and all the painted stuff right there. So great detail on this set. I'm super impressed with our first car, this 2020 Ford Shelby GT500. Car 2 of 5 is the McLaren P1. This one in orange with black highlighting all around it. Love the McLaren P1, and I'm a huge fan of this casting from Hot Wheels. We've gotten many different recolors of this casting, but we can really never have enough. I absolutely love it. This is a very crisp, glossy orange color. Really like this one. It really looks like the McLaren orange, the true McLaren orange that we first saw on the McLaren F1. Very nice gloss black wheels on this one as well. Good detail on the back. We've got that rear center exhaust on there. We've got that spoiler that's out sitting in race mode, of course. And we do have some nice Tampa work and stuff on the front end with some striping all around, the nice lights and all of that. Just an all around great looking casting and really nice color. Our number 3 of 5 is the Acura NSX. We've got a really nice glossy color on this one as well with those big chrome wheels. Let's go ahead and have a close-up look at this one right here. Wow, great looking. I love the color of this one. Love that black roof on there. The chrome wheels are pretty nice. I probably would have liked to seen the trend of the blacked out wheels maybe, but you know what? The chrome does look really good. We've got NSX written on the side, 17 on there. Great detailing on the front end. The Acura logo, the 17. The lights are all stamped on there as well. Even on the rear, very nicely stamped on the rear as well. Super impressive for a really like mainline type set. We've got really good Tampa work on all of these cars so far. Car number 4 of 5 is the 1971 Porsche 911. This one's in yellow. Let's go ahead and have a look at this one up close and see how nice it is. So this one we do have, it's kind of like an off yellow. It's not like a really pure like highlighter yellow or anything like that. It's but it still looks pretty good. I like that Porsche logo on the back of it right there. We've got some nice stamping and stuff right on the side. We'd have like a blank number plate right there, which kind of looks a little bit like a 70s type of race car. Some of them did have that on there. The Porsche logo on the front. The headlights on there, we do have some silver paint on them. And on the rear, we've got the nice stamping for the lights on the rear as well. It's an all-around decent looking car. Probably my least favorite car in this set though. 2020 Kona Zeg Jesko. Car number 5 of 5. Probably the highlight car from this set. A lot of people buy this set because of this car. I mean, I like the P1 and this one, but let's go ahead and pop open this Kona Zeg right here. Great looking to see this one come out in a set. We've seen this one released in the main line in about 2 or 3 different colors now, but it's nice to see a nice new color of that one. We've got Kona Zeg on the side of it, the number 20 right there. We've got some nice striping on the front end right there. And I said when this car first came out, I felt like it needed something on the side. So I feel like this one with the nice like writing on the side, and then we've got that like highlight striping and stuff like that. This is exactly what we needed. So fantastic looking Kona Zeg Jesko. We've got that rear center exhaust on there, the nice diffuser on there. The lights are all painted. Just an all-around excellent looking car. This is definitely one of the best cars from this set. All right guys, in the comment section down below, let me know which was your favorite car from this set. I think you guys know I'm going with that McLaren P1 or Kona Zeg Jesko. Make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.